how you can actually edit your free beats and post them on YouTube. First thing for me to do is for me to import my video intro, so I go over and do that, and I will drag it to my timeline. So that is the intro. So the next thing I'm going to do, I want it to be as short as possible. I need to cut this to around here. So the next thing I'm going to do is for me to head over and import my beat template. So this is what I want my beat to be showing whenever it's playing. So this is how I want it to be showing. So just bring it and drag it up and add here. Then I will duplicate this. Automatically my beat template is okay. This is how it's going to look like. So what I'm going to do is for me to add the beat. So I head over to import and I head over to where my beats are. So I come over here to after importing my beats, I will automatically drag it down, and here is it. See how it goes. It's going to be like this. That is how it's going to be. So what I will do is for me to keep duplicating this till it reach where the beat is going to stop. The next thing for me to do is for me to add in notification. So when someone is listening to the beat is going to tell you to subscribe again. Bang, subscribe. So bring it in, put it in, then I resize it, bring it up. Need it to show like this. And just bam, don't forget to subscribe. That's what I want. So I need it to last for at least a couple of seconds, like. So I'm going to add something for it, so it will always look as if it will always bring out that sound, bang. So if people will actually know, yes, that is the sound. I want to add something for you so you can always distract the viewers' attention. So I need a sound. That's okay. Bring it here to be like. That is done. I'm going to select it. And then I'll copy it and I'll move it over. So now I'm done. The next thing for me to do is for me to add the beat name. So what I will actually do is I'm going to drag this here. I'm going to bring in a text. That is what I'm going to put. Yes, so I'm going to bring a text here. I want to name the beat chord. So I'll just drag this and put it here. I'll extend it all the way to the end. Extend this all the way to the end. Then I'll just put the beat name. I call it chord. I just put it there. Then I choose a style for it. I want something with the abstract color. So that is okay for me. You can use this to edit anything. You can eventually use this to post several beats. So for me, I'm just going to do a little bit color grading so you to stand out from other people who want to use the same footage. So I just come over here and I'll just come to adjustment and I'll bring down this adjustment here. I'm going to add it to extend it so I can play with it. So I'll just play with the colors, the saturation and every other thing. So I want my Okay, just drag this and I'll bring this all the way down so it should not affect my write-up. So automatically my bit is done and I can go ahead and post it. So let's look at how it goes, how it looks like. Let's view it. So actually I can make this to type. So just click on it and come to, just click on this and come to animation. I want it to be blinking, so just come to a loop and automatically my beat is ready, and I can use this template to do as several beats I can. And even though I want to change the footage, I can also bring another footage and change it. So I'm going to head over and save this template and keep it for my next beat. So I'm done with this one. That is how you can actually create your beat video and post it on YouTube, and then you put a link to where people can actually download the real beat. Find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video. But that being said, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.